Hello, thanks for joining me. Today, as promised, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Apothecary at Home Herb of the Month box. As I mentioned in a previous video, they have two offerings. They have the Herbal Apprentice box, which is a larger box and is $41.99 a month, and the Herb of the Month Club is $19.99 a month. And you can buy individual boxes or do the subscription. And I believe the shipping on this was also $6. So let's dig in and see what we've got here. I already know that I ordered Juniper because I have the subscription to the bigger box. But on occasion, I will purchase one of the smaller boxes for the Herb of the Month. So this one is Juniper. And we have a Juniper herbal monograph, which, as I've also mentioned in several videos now, the monograph gives you more information on the herb. So that's very complete. It tells you, excuse me, the Latin name, the botanical family, other names, parts used medicinally, the botany, the energetics and the taste, the herbal actions, indications, contraindications, dosage, therapeutic use, history and folklore, synergies, flower essence, and an affirmation. So very complete on that. And this is just beautiful. This is one of my favorite artwork that I've received so far. These are painted by Shannon's mother, and they're on thick cardstock. And for the Herb of the Month, it is also double-sided. So there is a plain drawing on the back that you can then color in. And that does help you become more familiar with the plant, because when you're coloring, you're paying attention to those details. And again, as I mentioned before, I use these to create some of my own drawings. Even though I'm in no way an artist, I like to make my journals pretty. So look at that. Isn't that just lovely? Really nice. Okay. So what else do we have here? Oh, we have a smudge bundle, a Juniper smudge bundle. Isn't that gorgeous? Ooh. Oh, that smells really lovely. We also have, I'm not sure what these are, so let's check it out. Oh, juniper berry matches. Interesting. Very nice. I guess those are made from juniper berry wood. I am not sure if they smell when they're lit, but that's that. And we have 15 common juniper seeds. That's awesome. I can't wait to plant some of those. We, of course, have the compostable, fully compostable packing peanuts. And we have four ounces of juniper berries. So nice amount of herbs. 4 ounces is a good amount of herb to get. And that is it in this box, but you certainly can't beat that for $19.99. I mean, 4 ounces of the herb, the monographs, the beautiful. Oh, this smells so good. I can't wait to try that. And the matches, and that is really a lovely box. And as I've said before, I do highly recommend the Apothecary at Home. I think they have some of the best herbal offerings out there. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. There'll be a link in the description if you would like to check it out. And that's it for today. So many blessings, be well, and I will talk to you soon.